In this video, we are going to discuss the probate real estate process and the 3 steps to maximize your inherited property value. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Reine, sounds like green. I'm a probate real estate agent and 3-time personal representative. I help families across the United States get through probate with more money and less stress. And disclaimer, I am not an attorney. All right, so let's just jump right in to the 3 steps to the highest and best. And I believe that this is one of the things that I do differently than many other agents who are out there. I work really hard to make sure that every probate property I work on has multiple offers so that the family can sleep well at night knowing that they explored every possible option and that they had the highest offers available. Whether they accept them or not is up to the family. But unlike other agents, my goal is to bring multiple offers in a probate situation. And unlike investors, my mission is to help families get the most money for their probate property. So that's one of the reasons I developed this program called 3 Steps to Highest and Best. So the first step in the process is to consult with a probate real estate agent. And I will talk more about this throughout the presentation. But this is really important, and I make a distinction here. Probate real estate agent. Now, there are real estate agents and realtors out there who are really good at what they do. Not all of them are familiar with the probate process. One of the reasons why I recommend that you consult with an agent who is knowledgeable and has experience with probate is because there are just enough differences and nuances between the probate selling process and the normal selling process that the things that you or your agent don't know, even your attorney in some cases, selling probate real estate, the things you don't know can cost you a lot of time and money in some cases. So I recommend you consult with the probate agent up front and develop a plan, and then we'll talk about executing the plan as we go. Some people like to consult with a realtor later in the process. I recommend you consult with the probate real estate agent early in the process. After you've consulted with your agent and you've come up with a plan, then it's time to start cleaning out the property according to the buyer profile that we select. And I will be talking more about buyer profiles in just a moment. But one of the reasons why I like to advise families to clean out according to the buyer profile is because a lot of times you can save yourself a lot of time and money by minimizing your clean out efforts. I'll give you an example. Maybe you decide that the best option is to work with a cash buyer. And a lot of cash buyers will let you take what you want and leave the rest. That's one of the benefits of working with a good cash buyer. So if you know that up front, then you can just take the things you want and save yourself a lot of time cleaning out the property. A lot of times I'll see families who will get the property cleaned out, then they'll start contacting buyers. They'll talk to a cash buyer, and when they decide to sell to the cash buyer, they'll realize that they really did a lot of extra work and in some cases even spent a lot of extra money, and it might not have been necessary. So we are going to clean out according to the buyer profile. Same thing if our preferred buyer is a traditional buyer who might come through the MLS, then we're going to have more clean out to do as opposed to working with a cash buyer. Same thing, iBuyer brings a different dynamic and requires a different level of effort when it comes to cleaning out the property and getting it ready. So we'll talk more about that in just a few minutes. And then number 3, after you have come up with a plan with your real estate agent and you have cleaned accordingly, then it's time to solicit multiple offers. And a lot of you are saying, Reine, why would I want to submit multiple offers? I only need one. Again, these are 3 steps to highest and best. And what we want to do is make sure that we are getting multiple offers. There are a lot of reasons we do this. One is because if you go with a lower offer from a cash buyer or an iBuyer, there are going to be people in the family questioning why you took such a low offer. Sometimes those offers might come in below the appraised value. And other times the court may want to see more than one offer. So I really like to set the expectation up front that we are going for multiple offers. And a lot of times we do this across multiple buyer profiles, which is how we get to the highest and best. So those are the 3 steps to highest and best. Number 1, consult with a probate real estate agent. Number 2, clean out according to the buyer profile and your plan. And step 3, we go for multiple offers. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so we can get the word out and help more families going through probate. For more information, just reach out to me anytime or just stay tuned and watch the next video. Thanks and have a great day.